Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home, and I'm excited to bring you along with us this weekend as we are headed to Newport, Rhode Island. I've never been there before. It's a beautiful seashore town in New England, and what I'm really excited about is it is where all of the rich and famous people had vacation homes during the Gilded Age. So the house where they filmed The Great Gatsby is there, and there's something called the Cliff Walk, where basically you're doing this walk where one side is the ocean and the other side are all of these big beautiful mansions that you can tour, and you can walk on the property, and you can actually even picnic on some of these properties. So I can't wait to check it out. I'm hoping that we at least get one beach day in, even though there's some rain in the forecast, and there's lots of cute little shops. We're staying at a very charming Airbnb that I cannot wait to check out. I just got the information yesterday in regards to the location of the house. And even though we're renting a very small apartment, it's in this big, beautiful mansion that was built in, I think, 1860 or 1870, which is totally up my alley. I love historic homes. As you guys know, if you're not new to my channel, we live in an old Victorian home. So I'm really, really excited for that part of it. And we're packing up and getting ready to go. It's about a 4-hour drive from where I live, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. So we just arrived at our Airbnb. Look at how beautiful this house is. We're gonna head into town and just walk around a little bit and get some dinner. Smokehouse. I think I'm gonna get the smokestack, and I got a Hefeweizen, and we're excited to order some food here because it got really great reviews. So the pulled pork and onion rings and burger is really good. And Madison got like these little corn dogs and hot pretzel, and yeah, everything's really good here. Ooh. Okay, so we just had a really good dinner at a place called the Smokehouse, and now we're doing like a sunset tour of the mansions, which should be a lot of fun. So I'm excited. We get to see the mansions right away. We like just got here today, so it's gonna be fun. Done with our tour. We got some Ben & Jerry's ice cream, and we're gonna head back to our Airbnb. So they have this display of all these really cool umbrellas, and it goes down this whole entire road. It's pretty cool. All right, so we're walking back now. Hopefully we can find where we're going because I'm bad at directions. Hey guys, so we're back at our Airbnb. We had such a fun first day here at Rhode Island. We had fun just walking around the shops. We ended up doing that sunset boat tour, which was really cool because it brought you like past some of the old mansions. We got to see where Jackie O used to live with her family and what they call the White House of Newport, because that's where their summer home was. So it was a lot of fun just getting to see those sights, and the sunset was beautiful. We ended up with really nice weather. I thought it was going to rain, but it ended up being beautiful. We had a good dinner, and we did get a little bit lost coming back to the Airbnb. That was a little scary because I don't have great connection here. So every time we tried to open the map, it wasn't connecting, and we were kind of just wandering the streets, and it was getting dark. But we made it, and I'm gonna quickly show you around. It's really cute here. Like I said, it's a small apartment, but it's in this big, beautiful mansion. So super cool. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And then I think we're gonna get ready for bed because I have a full day planned for tomorrow, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. Okay, so this is where you walk in, and just a closet there, TV. The bedroom is through there. And then there's just this little seating area, table and chairs. The room is actually rather large. They have the old radiator here. And then this is the kitchen area. So we did bring just a little bit of groceries for breakfast and stuff in the morning. And then I will show you the bedroom. Hello. Hi, Madison. So actually the rooms are really big. So this is the bedroom. Nice and spacious. Another TV in here. And I want to show you guys these old doors. Like, look at these doorknobs. It's kind of dark. You can't see well, but it's so old. And this is kind of weird. So this door, which probably once went to the outside, and look at the glass and stuff on here. This is like super cool. But when you go through this door, it's the shower. So that's kind of weird, right? But yeah, so that is the shower area. And then just the bathroom here. And that's basically the whole space. So it's not that big, but it's actually, if you think about it, it's way bigger than a hotel would have been. Right, Madison? It really is. I mean, it is kind of spacious. And it's clean. It's, you know, I think it's well done. I think it's going to work for us. We're only here for 3 nights. And that's going to be it for now. We will see you guys in the morning. Good night. So it's raining. We're not going to the beach today. So me and Madison are walking from our Airbnb back to like the shopping area. And we're gonna walk around the shops a little bit. Jim's gonna meet up with us for lunch because he's working today. I don't know if I told you guys, the whole reason we're here is because Jim is working in this general area, so we decided to get a place right in Newport so me and Madison can tag along on his work trip. So he's gonna meet us for lunch, and then I think we're gonna head over to the mansion. So we're gonna keep going, even though it's raining. We're at a place called Diego's, grabbing some lunch. Really cool in here. We're going to take a look at the menu. Okay, so we had a really nice lunch at a place called Diego's, which was good Mexican food. And now we're headed to the Breakers, which is this amazing mansion. And I just want to show you guys the main entrance, or what would have been the main entrance back in the day. We can't get in that way now, but I still need to show it to you guys because I just can't even imagine. It's beautiful here. Okay, so here's the main entrance. So if you're coming to visit the family, this is where you're coming in. Look at this. Unbelievable. And through here is the mansion, but we need to find an access to it a different way, but this is unbelievable. So we just finished touring the Breakers Mansion. So now we're walking the grounds outside. I think we're gonna walk down to the ocean, and we got a pass where we can go to 3 different mansions. So I think we're gonna do one more today and then we'll do one tomorrow. But it's unbelievable. Cannot even believe the amount of money these people have to have something like this as their summer cottage. So we just took the most amazing tour. What did you think, Madison? Was that crazy?
Really cool.
It was so beautiful. So beautiful. Highly recommend. If you ever come to Newport, definitely check out the Breakers Mansion. We have the opportunity to see 3 different mansions. I really wanted to see, I think it's called Rose Cliff, because that's the one where they filmed The Great Gatsby, but that one is actually closed for renovations right now, which is really sad. Madison's getting tired. It's a lot of walking. Yeah. It's a lot of property to walk through. It was a really, really big mansion. Yeah. But I could stay here forever. We're in like the garden area now, and it's just beautiful. This place is amazing. And it stopped raining, so I'm excited. So I think now we're gonna go do the cliff walk partially if we can and check out one more mansion, and then we have dinner tonight at the Mooring House, I believe it's called. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So we made it to Cliff Walk. Does it say where we are? Oh, so we're right by Rose Cliff. And we need to go to Marble House right here. Okay, I wanna see Rose Cliff though. So this is the infamous Cliff Walk, the reason everyone comes here. And right down here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the Tea House and Marble House, so that's where we're headed. But this is just such a beautiful walk. And the sun is shining, and it stopped raining, and life is good. So this is Rose Cliff right behind us, and it's all shut down for renovations, so we can't even go look at it. Okay, so here's the creepy tunnel I heard so much about that you need to travel through to get to the tea house. I don't know. I heard that it has Stranger Things vibes. I heard something down here. Did you hear that? All right, we're going in. Are you scared? Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's a little creepy. Okay, this is like a little bit of a challenging walk. So now we have to go walk over all these rocks, and I think we go through another tunnel over here. I don't know. Just trying to get to the Marble House. Okay, we're going through another tunnel. But also, I think we screwed up our route. We totally passed Marble House. This is cool. Madison, this looks so cool right now. Yeah. Very neat. Wow. This is the view. More rocks. Oh my gosh, this is really rocky. Oh wow.
Why is it like burning?
I don't know. So we can't figure out how to get to the tea house. We see it up there. We know it's right there. You walk through the tunnel and you can't get in. So we turned around. We're trying to figure out if we missed something so that we can actually go tour Marble House. How do you get there? So we're trying to access it from the main road now, and this is Rose Cliff. We can't get in, but it's what you can see from the outside. We finally made it. It was not easy, but we made it, and I'm tired. So we I just finished the tour of Marble House. It was much shorter than the last tour. Also a beautiful house. I feel like you didn't get to see quite as much in there. The rooms weren't really completely open. They were all roped off, but it was still a lot of fun. Okay, so we just had probably one of the best meals of our lives. So if you come here, you need to go to the Mooring House. And now we're doing some shopping. Was your meal good?
Yeah.
Yes, amazing. Okay, so we just picked up some Starbucks and we're walking back to the Airbnb. Look at how charming these roads are. They're like all of these incredibly old houses. It's beautiful. This is such a beautiful old town. The architecture everywhere is gorgeous. And I don't know, having a good time. But we had a very long day and we walked, how many miles did we walk today, Madison?
6.
That's a lot of miles. We're tired. So we're gonna go relax. We're gonna watch, what's the show that we're watching?
The Summer Turned Pretty.
Yes. So it just started up again. So we're gonna go watch the first episode or 2 of that, relax with our Starbucks, and it's gonna be it for today. There's little Buddy on our Airbnb. Oh, there it goes. Okay guys, so I just wanted to kind of summarize the day. We had the most amazing day for being a rain day where we thought we really weren't going to do many things, and we ended up obviously not going to the beach, but we went to the shops and we went to the cliff walk. We got to see some amazing mansions, and then we had an amazing dinner. It was so good. I think it's called the Mooring, and it's on the water. The food is excellent. We even had dessert and it was really, really good. And then we went and got some Starbucks, but it was such a great day. We did a lot of walking, and I watched so many vlogs about Newport specifically and doing the cliff walk. And I don't remember anyone saying that when you're on the cliff walk, you can like see the mansions from afar, but you can't actually access any of them from the cliff walk. And I would have definitely taken note of that, because we probably went about 4 miles out of our way trying to go to the Marble House today, because we ended up walking the cliff walk to it, and we can literally see it right in front of us, but we could not access it. So we had to walk all the way back, go out to the street, and then, you know, be able to get it that way. So by the time we did all that, we were just so exhausted. We were kind of over it at that point, but we did get to see it. So it was great to be able to see it. We're gonna go to another one tomorrow because we did get the 3 mansions. Like, we got a ticket to see 3 mansions. So we're gonna do the Elms tomorrow with Jim, and hopefully we'll be able to go to the beach. I can't believe we've been here for 2 days in Newport and have not actually gone to a beach yet. So hopefully we can do that in the morning. And yeah, I don't really know what else we're gonna do, but I'm sure we'll have a great time. Really, really enjoying it here. It's a beautiful town, lots to do, lots to see. We did a lot and I'm tired. So we're gonna watch our show now, have our Starbucks, and go to bed. I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.